In this example, we're asked to find the length of VM, segment VM, there's segment VM, and we're told that point M, which is right here, is the midpoint of segment VW, VW. Remember, midpoint divides the segment into two equal parts. So we're going to divide this task into two parts, actually. One is we're going to set up an equation and solve for x, and then we're going to, once we solve for x, we're going to plug it in here to figure out what the length of VM is. So first, we're going to do find x. So we'll set up our equation, and we have 4x minus 1 equals 3x plus 3. And we're going to set it up that way because, again, midpoint means it divides the larger segment into two equal lengths, which means that this length here is equal to that length. So we set up our equation to say that. All right, so now we'll solve our equation. Let's see. I will start by taking 3x from both sides, and that's going to leave us with x minus 1 equals 3, and then I'll add 1 to both sides, and that's going to leave us with x equals 4. Now for the second part, we are going to find VM. All right, so VM equals 4x minus 1. So we'll do our substitution. VM equals 4 times 4 minus 1. And let's see, we got VM equals 16 minus 1, 15 units. And there's our end answer. One thing to watch out for. On some problems, you might just be asked to find x. You'll be given something like this, and they just say find x. On some problems, they'll want you to find a length. Maybe it's the length of just one part. Maybe it's the length of the entire thing. So pay close attention to what you're being asked to find. You may not have to go through this whole process, or you might have to. Depends.